guys, welcome back to
Nice.
Welcome back, guys. It's been raining all day.
Arlene, what are you doing? Are you cold?
Hey guys, welcome back to the Garage Couple. On today's episode, we are going to show you starter mods on our Rubicon. For those of you that follow us, you know that we recently purchased this beautiful Rubicon, but it did come with a leak. So we've been spending a couple weeks trying to figure that leak out. Last weekend, we changed out the rear main seal, and it is running like a champ. The leak has stopped. So now that we have solved that issue, we're moving on to some starter mods. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Our next giveaway is at 3,000 subscribers. Guys, this is a big one. The giveaway for this is going to be...
Drum roll.
Thank you, thank you. Any product on Amazon under $100, winner's choice, we will ship it directly to you under $100. That one is huge, you guys, so make sure to subscribe for your chance to win. So these are all our starter mods. If you're curious where they're from, we'll put all the links below. So without further ado, let's get started. We have a Smitty-built net for the back area of the Jeep. We are changing our winch to synthetic, so that's the rope over there. We have our cowl guards, that's for the winch. We have a fire extinguisher holder with our fire extinguisher here. Rear tail lights, also from Amazon. Sunshade over here. Rubicon decal over here.
From a JL.
From a JL.
And that's an automotive fire extinguisher. Notice the white color.
Rubicon decal needed a facelift.
Rubicon. These are RGB rock lights. Scrub blade, heavy duty wipers right over there. We have a sunshade. That is the fire extinguisher holder. All of these mods, plus some surprise mods, which I'll walk you over here. Our garage is like a jungle. What is that? I cannot say, but that name gives it all away. I will drop a word, dual rate, exclusive on Garage Couple. Above it, that is by Tom Woods. Not gonna say again, but lots and lots of exciting things. Just ignore all those Jeep parts back there.
Greg forgot to mention, we also have these. We have a replacement for the antenna. We also have LED lights that we're gonna change on the inside.
And don't forget about these awesome window decals. Let's get started. All right, so we are gonna start off with this rear cargo net cover. I have wanted one of these for such a long time, and I finally bit the bullet, and it's time to install it.
You bit the bullet?
I bit the bullet. Is that not a thing?
I don't think you bite bullets.
I think it is. Who agrees with me?
Not me.
Let's get this party started. Hopefully it snaps right into place. By Smitty built over here. Looks like warranty cards of all sorts. Wow. Sick. That looks amazing. Alright, let's figure this monster out. There's that zipper, that's one side. Looks like this is the rear. And this is the other side over there. Wow, that looks super cool.
You need those papers?
I should probably look this over before I attempt to slap it on, but seems like it's gonna be easy enough. You're gonna have to remove the old channel out of the old soft top, so you need this piece. You're gonna slide this one onto the new one and it should bolt right up. Now that it's on, let's place it over our Jeep. Probably would have been wise to put our fire extinguisher holder now, as soon as I put this, we're not going to be able to access it very well anymore. Miss. So just like the stock soft top, there are these little channels on the bottom which just tuck into the roll to the body of the Jeep. So I'm gonna just tuck that in. There's also these straps. These straps just go around the sport cage. Simple enough, shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. So let's do it. So Arlene right now is fastening the straps. We are almost done. Pretty easy install. There's 3 of these buckles on each side. You wrap it around the sport cage as you see, and you go from there. That's all.
It's kind of hard to find. If you have tiny hands, it's probably easier.
All right, what do you think? Show them around, Arlene.
Alrighty, you guys. It was super easy to put on, you guys. There is just a couple of little rope pieces on the side. There's 3 on each. one directly down the middle. I feel like it looks like a completely different Jeep. Thoughts?
I love it. Now we're gonna put on this tiny stubby antenna. Apparently has really good reception. Let's go ahead and remove
Reception? Is that what it's called?
For radio reception.
Oh.
Alright, gonna need an adjustable wrench. Literally all you need is an adjustable wrench. Just grab the original antenna at its base and that's it. It literally unscrews just like so. And here's the before with this ugly branch catcher over here. Although I will admit the reception is amazing on it. Let's hope that this one has a similar reception. I'm using tin snips here. Oh, distracted me, bub.
That's what you get.
So it looks like it comes with two choices here, small and smaller. We're gonna go with the small. I think that other one might not do the trick for us. Comes with a bunch of adapters for different vehicles. And it comes with other non-sensory over here. I don't really know what the other jazzy jazz is. Yeah, not really sure.
How's that jazzy jazz going?
The jazzy jazz parade.
Raise your hand if you like Greg's jokes.
No one's raising. Alright, I might have jazzed myself here.
What happened, bub? What happened?
I think that looks pretty amazing. Little tiny baby antenna. We will follow up with the radio, but in this garage on this hill, radio doesn't sound good anyway. Next up, fire extinguisher and fire extinguisher holder. Should have done this before we put this on, but I guess it allows us to test out the zippers, test out this fold-up function. Pretty decent.
Wow.
It's pretty cool. That's better than what it came with. So here's the fire extinguisher holder. I'll drop the link below. First thing you're gonna do is just simply attach it to your roll cage of your preference. In our Jeeps, we like to keep it right over here so we can access it really easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this now. It's just a couple of Velcro straps. Every Jeep should have a fire extinguisher on board. Make sure you don't grab one of those red ones. Those are for residential fires. Usually automotive fires have fuel involved, and so you want to go with a white fire extinguisher, which is both marine and auto rated.
What's up? Seeing how long he'd figure out I was recording him. Lasted about 2 seconds.
Change of plans. We're mounting it right here instead. Just a couple of buckles, Velcros, and we're set. We're in business.
Next up, grab handle. We will drop a link below.
We've burned through a lot of these in the past. I went with one of these because they are sun resistant and there's more surface area so they don't rot as fast. I still expect it to get bad over time, especially with the top off, but oh well. Just goes right on this roll cage. Ollie over here putting around the Velcro. Let's get it done. People are out there trying to snatch up toilet paper and we're here modding our Jeep. Oh, that's right. These are gonna go too. I might as well. Really dislike these, so we're gonna get rid of these too. What do you think? Sturdy enough for you?
Yes, very sturdy. Let's get the other side done.
Let's do it.
This is one we've been waiting for since the purchase.
If you like these things, woo! Maybe I need some safety goggles here. Oh, jeez.
Wow, maybe I gotta use Goo Gone.
Wow, that could get dangerous. Scrub-a-dub-dub. This is gonna take a while. Might not get to it all today, but we will get to it eventually. Lots of more mods to do. We still have the synthetic line, the cowl guards, the aluminum, as well as the sunshade and the scrub blade wipers. We also have these JL Rubicon decals. So we are gonna continue working. These are the scrub blade heavy duty wipers. They have double blades. If you've seen any of our past videos, I'll put a link right there in the top right corner of your screen. We absolutely love these wipers and we will never go to any other wipers. So they last long, they do a really good job, and they keep the windshield clear most importantly. So I'm gonna just install these. If you wanna see how to install them, just check out that video.
Time for the cowl guards. Make sure that you are cleaning surface so that the dirt doesn't mess with the
Make sure you're a cleaning surface.
What?
That's what you just said.
Make sure you're cleaning the surface.
You said make sure you're a cleaning surface. I'm holding pressure here on this side, and Aline is doing the same on that side. I think it's nice that it matches those pieces there. Between that stubby antenna and this cowl guard over here, this area looks so much nicer and so much cooler. Now, many people ask, why the heck do we put this on? Well, if you have the doors on without the paracord at the bottom, those side mirrors tend to slam right over there. So if nothing else, then it protects from that. But I also think it looks pretty cool, and that's enough of a reason for me to want to go with it. So what are you doing now?
I'm about to take the decal off, but I'm going to soak it or overlay it with some glue gun, make it a little bit easier to peel off.
And that is the Rubicon decal that we are taking off and replacing with the JL decal. I've actually never seen this done on a TJ. So, using glue gun to get rid of the residuals, then we're going to slap the new one on this side.
Done with the glue gun, going to clean it up so that we can get the new decal put on. Boy, does that look clean. Alrighty, I got the decal out. Greg is currently grabbing the sticker.
I'm really excited to see this JL Rubicon sticker on a TJ. I got the black one with silver outline. Now that we have the backing peeled off, that looks incredible. We had a little bit of a hard time, but we got it done. All right, on to the next side. While Aline does that, I'm gonna work on the interior LED cluster lights. I have a whole video on this, but as you can see, the lights are burnt out and they're dim. I'm gonna go ahead and replace those with LEDs. Link will be in this corner for the full video. I'm not gonna show this again. I already have a full video on it, so go check that out if you'd like to see how to install those. But that was the before, let's see the after. 10 minutes later, all done. This is the final product. And they are dimmable. For $10, you cannot go wrong with this. Amazing. The side is naked now. Time to put on the decal. When you put the decal on, take your time. Line it up properly and just go from one side all the way to the other to avoid bubbles and misalignment. So I'll get this part ready for you, Aline, and then you'll stick it on. Or you can do it too.
I don't want to be held responsible, you guys. I do not want to be held responsible. All right, let me put this down so I can give you a hand.
That looks super amazing. Wow. All right, finishing touches for the day. Which one should I put? We have an alien, a dragon. We have Chewbacca, it looks like. I'm between Chewbacca and the dragon.
I like the dragon.
I'll put the dragon. I'm gonna put this dragon decal on this driver's side area. Just wipe it with Windex and peel the backing and stick it on.
Pretty sick.
We got so many mods done. Look at how cool that looks. That literally looks so nice, like the new JLs. We put the net on the back, we put these grab handles, we put the fire extinguisher, we put this decal on the front. We also changed the LED dash odometer lights out, and now we're adding a sunshade that we got on Amazon. It was $30 or so, and it just covers the driver and the passenger. So we're gonna slap those on, and depending on if we have time or not, we'll go ahead and dress up our winch with the synthetic line, the aluminum plate on the front, as well as the winch holder, the cable holder. And then we have the seat spacers, which might not be able to go on today, just depending on the hours and the time. So there's probably gonna be a part 2 to this video, so stay tuned for that video. But for now, we're gonna drop this on the top, and we're gonna enjoy all of these mods that we added to our Jeep Wrangler. Now, if you're new to our channel, just want to reiterate, we are the Garage Couple. This is our 3rd Jeep Wrangler. Currently, we have a TJ Sahara, we have a 2015 a Sport Unlimited, and this is our 2005 Rubicon. Aline, what are you doing? Are you cold? So everything's done. Look at how amazing that looks. Oh my goodness. So everything is currently done. It's all good. So we are all wrapped up for the day. We have a lot more to show you guys, including that surprise earlier on that we showed you. I'll play it again just now. We have many things. LED light bar, lift kit, winch accessories, all sorts of stuff. But I think for today, I think that this Jeep has come a long way. Look at how cool that looks. Oh my goodness. Well, Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out our Instagram at Garage Couple for our day-to-day, and also be sure to check out our other videos if you need any help installing other products, or if you want more mod ideas or anything like that.
Make sure you let us know if you like these hats. We're still considering what type of gear we want to go with for Garage Couple, and thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you guys soon.
We give away free stickers. We give away free stickers. Just send us an email, and we are doing our next big giveaway at 3,000 subscribers, literally sending you a free $100 part. So be sure to stay tuned, be sure to check us out and subscribe, and thank you so much for your support.
And we'll see you soon.
This time for real. Thank you.